Welcome to our fourth lesson, that is formatting of text document. Here we shall learn how to format a document. I, s- I suppose most of you know some of the formattings like bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript, which we have done in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which we can do in HTML also. For that, we have to use some important tags. In this lesson, we shall learn all the tags that are used for formatting the documents. Some of the tags are like bold, strong, italic, underline, emphasize, mark, small, then deleted, inserted, superscript, subscript. One thing you remember, small is there in HTML5. The big tag has been removed or has become obsolete in HTML5. To make the text bigger, you can use that is called CSS. But even you can use it, but it shows some error. It will show you some error in the code. So we should avoid using big. So small we can use emphasize, we can use italic, we can use mark, then deleted, inserted, superscript, subscript. Now what are they? Let us understand practically. For that I am going to VS Code. I have created a new file called formatting.html. Here I am going to type the same thing that we have been typing, HTML5. Our code has come. Let's change the header title. Now here I will write one paragraph, a small paragraph. The word formatting document, I will give the formats to these two words. Hello and hello world will remain same. Let's see how it looks in the browser now. It looks like this. So we'll make some more copies of this. The shortcut way of copying it is press Shift, Alt and down arrow. Shift, Alt and down arrow. And first one will be normal. The second one, let us make it bold. So what you can do, you can give here B tag. The closing B tag should go after the word where you want to end the formatting. In our case here. Similarly, we have got something called strong. For that, you have to write strong, close it. Now, take the closing part after the word that you want to end formatting here. I for italic, I Let's take it and put it here. Similarly to I, we have got one more EM. I'll put it here. Then one more we'll take small. If I want to do only with the word formatting, then I should close here. We have one called mark. Let's take these two words. Then we can have deleted, that is del. I'm taking only one word for this. Then we have got inserted, that is ins. Here also I'm taking only one word. So bold, strong, italic, emphasize, small, mark, del, inserted. What we have taken? Bold, strong, italic, underline. We have not taken emphasize, mark, small, bold, strong. Okay. Deleted, inserted, superscript, subscript, underline. Then you have to take U. Shift, Alt, down arrow, and instead of U, let's take it superscript SUP and close it with SUP. Similarly, this one you can close it with start it with SUB. There is subscript, and this one is subscript closing, so SUB. Now, for your understanding, you can write here. This del, this inserted, let's give here inserted one word, more word so that you can understand. And save it, and I think it's open. Here you can see. This is the normal one. This bold, strong, nearly same. Italic and emphasize nearly same. Formatting is small. You can see here is becoming small. Mark you can see with yellow color mark. Then if you see the deleted one is crossed inside, inserted and underlined nearly same, and superscript and subscript you have seen. Sometimes you can give multiple effects also. Let's give here one more. I'll show you. Like let's give bold B. This also B. Last one if you see is bold. I want to give the second effect. Then I. Remember one thing. First is B, then is I. So similarly while closing, I will be closed first and then the B. You should not make it the other way around. First B should not be closed, first I should be closed. This is the way system you have to follow. This is the rule you have to follow. First you have given bold, then italic. First you have to close italic, then bold. Now we should have two effects. Now let's see. See this one, bold and italic. At the same time, if you want to give one more, say mark. Similarly, mark has to be closed. Since mark is the beginning, so mark should go in the end, that is after bold. See here, all the three effects has come. You can give all the effects there. If you want to give del also, you can give the del here. See, this is the way in which you can format. You can give n number of formattings in one element, as in the last one I have given bold, italic, del, mark, and you can see how it looks. Now remember, strong is supported in SEO while bold is not. SEO means search engine optimization. Similarly, emphasize is supported. So bold, so strong and emphasize we to use to rank our website in the search engine. So these are the different way in which we can format the documents. You have seen it. You have seen how to give superscript, subscript. Superscript, subscripts are basically used while writing mathematical formulas like x square, y square, then the formula of say hydrogen H2O while the 2 comes down. So you should try these things. That's all in our in this video session. See you in our next video soon.